Hey folks, JC here, CarLogic Group, the home of the guaranteed credit approval. And today we've got for you a 2001 Saab SE. Vehicle's in great shape, runs out real nice for you. It's got the 5-spoke alloyed wheels, halogen headlights, aerodynamic, crumple zone, front and rear, side impact door beams, vented disc brakes up front. Spoiler back here too, folks. Nice little vehicle. Got leather, automatic, power windows, door locks, cruise control, and it's also got heated seats. It's a nice little car, and we've got it priced right also for you folks. If you're looking for something that's not gonna, break you at the bank, come on down and see us. CarLogic Group, right here in Mount Juliet, JC. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.